Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and for a new video in our Terraform series. Now this video we are going to talk about Terraform Refresh. Okay. Now why do we need the Terraform Refresh command? Now there are so many commands in Terraform. Okay, you have apply, plan, import, refresh, Terraform destroy, etc. When do you use Terraform refresh? Now, say for instance you are working in a team, okay, where you are, let's say, in an infrastructure creation team in your IT group or whatever. Let's say 3 or 4 of you in a single group working on using Terraform to create resources, basically. And for some reason, one of your colleagues, instead of using Terraform destroy, okay, to destroy this Terra EC2 instance, which is showing right here. Instead of using Terraform destroy to terminate this, what happens if your colleague rather comes here, okay, in the AWS EC2 console, and then terminates it from here, right? Let's say I terminate it from my AWS management console. Okay, so you can see that the instance has been terminated, or indirectly you would say destroyed, but we didn't destroy it using Terraform. Rather, we created it using Terraform and we destroyed it using AWS management console. So there's some not conflict per se, but there's some difference between the two, between AWS and Terraform. If you come to the Terraform state file, you have all the information here, which says we've created an instance Terra EC2 that's running, right? But when you go to AWS, we've deleted it from there. So how do you address this issue so that Terraform will know that, okay, so the instance is actually being terminated or destroyed? Okay, and that's why you need a Terraform refresh command. Yes, my coworker deleted it from there, but I need to update this state file, let it come up to date. So I'll run Terraform refresh. It says AWS EC2 instance refreshing state. Okay, so it's making changes to whatever happened to the state of our Terraform, right? Now if you go back to the Terraform state, okay, you see that now there isn't a lot of information in here compared to earlier. And when you do check results, it says none. It means the resource that we created earlier, it's not there anymore. By using Terraform refresh, we've updated the state file of our Terraform locally on our system. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section. Like, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Thank you.